guys, last but not least, you've seen our previous videos of the Traxxas Stampede. Woo! The Aussie Brussels 87 kV Brussels system. Woo! With the micro desert truck. And now we have the double horse Shangma.
It's a double horse, double bladed helicopter.
And I did a little bit of upgrades to it.
Revisions.
Yeah, this is the double horse 9101 revisions. RC helicopter. Here's a couple of key things available that you can do to it. Here's a couple of key things available that you can do to it. As you can see, a lot of times, well, the problem was why I did this. You can see that I completely flipped this upside down and this upside down. The fin, the back tail fin, and the back rotor blade. The reason to this is because the reason that I did this is because the reason why I did this is because it had more power, way more power going backwards. Like it would go backwards like ooh, but it would go forwards like brrr.
Yeah, it wouldn't hardly go forward.
This thing spin way faster going backwards than it did forward.
Yeah.
So I switched it around, so now when I hit reverse, it goes forward. And then when I hit forward, it goes reverse. But it doesn't. I don't really need to use reverse much, so it'll go really slow reverse and super fast forward. So that's the upgrades I did to it.
Now
there comes key things available to you that you can do to it.
Today's a windy day, but we're gonna give it a try.
Windy day.
Yeah, we're gonna give it a try. Go ahead and turn it.
Like what?
Yep, come on. Turn it on and let's give it a try, because the breeze comes and goes. We're here by the water.
Oh, crap.
We're here by the water, and the breeze
Spectrum remote
comes and goes. All right. Pull up your antenna.
Get my throttle switch on. It's too windy, honestly.
Come on, get it cranking. There you go.
You might want to stand back, Dad.
All right.
See?
Go ahead. There's no breeze right now. Nice. All right, there you go.
No.
Whoop.